no damage that you can see, ascertain.
Let's see here.
It's being right sometimes, so.
Howdy folks, I'm Keith Bowen. This is Hard Rock University. This is Jim.
Hi.
And he's a mechanic, which I'm not.
Number 8 cylinder.
There's my engine. And we believe the only problem is number 8 cylinder. We will check before we start reassembly. But that's not exactly how a piston's supposed to look. That is the problem. Luckily the cylinder bore's okay. Crankshaft is good.
We suspect somebody nicked the head gasket right here when they put it together.
Looks like a minor flaw in the head gasket. Allowed
a little leakage in and
coolant in, and it was just doing bad things. So whatever, that's the problem. It can be fixed without huge amounts of money. Thankfully, he will provide a lot of help, because this is not fun to work on. It's pretty big pieces and parts and lots of bolts and some serious muscle involved here. But we'll get all the parts ordered, and
thanks for watching.
Then we will get her back together again. So happy prospecting and keep it safe out there.